measurable kind of outcomes or improvements have you seen since implementing Odoo?
So I like this is one of those questions of where to start. It really has changed our business and how we operate. But I guess the best thing about it is the integration through all aspects of the business and feeding information back. So like I said before, so you're not working in it, you're actually being fed information to make good, sound decisions. And we see that over and over and over again. And because how our structure of our business works, our sales team informs our design team, which informs our manufacturing team, which then informs our sales team. It's a cyclical process, and that's exactly how Odoo works. It works the same way. All those things inform each other, and so it means that all these other departments that before were not working particularly well together or could make improvements, let's say, all of us started being able to share knowledge with each other and inform decisions.